Hello everyone, welcome to 12am Coding. And today we are going to see a new problem in our linked list series, which is get the size of the linked list. Okay, so let's understand the question first and then we will go to the answer. So this question is very simple, right? We just need to get the size of the linked list. So this we are having a head here and this we are having the null node, which is the end of our linked list. So what we need to do in this particular linked list from the head till the null, we need to find the length of this particular linked list. How many nodes are there? Okay. So in this current linked list, we are having four nodes. So it's very clear, right? So first node, then second node. Okay. And in the same way, we are having third and then four nodes we are having. So what we need to do that we just need to traverse this particular linked list until we reach to the null. Okay. Once you reach to the null, then your size you can determine, right? So in almost all the question we have solved till now, we are just traversing the linked list. Either we need to insert or delete the node or anything. So in this question also we'll be doing the same. So simply let me first write the pseudo code and then we will be understanding it via dry running that how it is working. So for example, I am having one function, okay? Let's say get size of linked list, okay? And we will be having our head in the beginning. Let's say this will be getting our head, okay? So what you can do to get the size of the linked list simply, what I'm saying is like, let's say you are on the beginning of the linked list with this head. So you can just maintain one variable, integer variable as a count. And as soon as you are moving to the nodes, you can just traverse this linked list until the node become null. Okay. And then you can just increase that count variable one by one. So you'll reach here, you'll increase one, then two, three, four. And once you reach null, you will just come out. So let's write this particular function. So in the beginning, what you can do if your node equals to null, okay, then in simply you can return zero in it, right? So what does this means that your or not node, your head is null actually. So your head is not having any data. Our linked list is not having anything. So we can return null. Second condition, what you can do, you can just run a loop actually. Okay, and this loop, what it will be doing, it will be reaching until your head not equals to null. Okay, and before that, what I can do before running this particular loop, I can just maintain one count, and this count will be zero in the beginning. Okay, so when I'm running this loop is just to traverse this particular linked list, right? So what I can do, I can keep this variable increment by one, count plus plus I can do, and then I can do head equals to head dot next actually. So what will happen with this head dot next? As I'm running the loop, then I'll be just maintaining this count, incrementing this count, and then after that we are just moving further into the linked list one by one. And when your head become null, then you will come out of it and you can return the size. Then you will get the size. Okay. So let me dry run this particular code and let's see what will happen. So in the beginning, what will happen that we are having two things. First, let's say we are having what node we are at, and then we will be doing one count actually. So let me just change the color here and show you guys. So currently, let's say in the beginning we got the head as 12th. So first we are at the 12th node. Okay, and after going to this particular 12th node, what will happen? We will be having count, integer count equals to 0 and head is not equals to null. Okay, so in the first case our head is not equals to null, so this will come inside it. Then your count will become 1 in this particular case, and then after your head will become head equals to next, head equals to head dot next. So 12 dot next, which is 18th. Okay, so for the 18th this will come, and your count, what it will become, it will become 2 here. Then again, because this is not equals to null, then after that it will come to 47th node. Then after 47 your count will become 3 here, and then it will come to 85 node. Okay, 85th node, and here it will become 4, and then it will come to null. So if it is null, then it will not go inside this particular function, right? So we will be returning the size as 4. It's as simple as that. Okay, so simply what we are doing, we are just traversing into this particular linked list until we reach to the null, and as soon as you reach the null, you are just coming out, okay, and returning the size. So let me show you via code how we can do that. Okay, so let me remove this, delete and everything. So till now we are having this particular linked list as per old tutorials, right? We have inserted some data actually, 12, 18, 42, 87, and then some node at the front we inserted, and inserted some position. Okay, so let me run this particular code and show you guys what is the condition of our particular linked list. So currently we are having this linked list, so we need to find the size of it. Okay, so I'll be writing a function, let's say public, and this will be returning me the integer now. Okay, and then get size of linked list. Okay, and then in this linked list, what I can do, I can just need head actually, and if our head equals to null, then I can return simply 0 because we are not having any data. Otherwise, what I can do, I can just maintain my count as 0 in the beginning, and then I can run from head till head not equals to null. Okay, and if your head is not equals to null, then you will be incrementing your count. Okay, and then your head will become head dot next. Okay, and then after that simply you can return the count. Okay, so let me call this particular method here. So we are having the operations. Let me just print it. Okay, so uh, get operations. Actually, we are having one class, this particular class. So in this class, we are having this method. Okay, uh, mm, 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 get size of linked list. So here I need to put semicolon. So operations object dot get size of linked list. We just need to pass the head what we get from the top. So if I run this, then let's see. So the size is 6. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. So let me also show you by debugging, not print. We need to debug our get size method. What will happen? Okay. So we came here, and if you see, our head is having all the linked list data 3, 12, 4, 18, then 42, 87, and null. So our first condition is false. So we are just not running this. We are coming out of it. Then integer is 0. Then our head is not equals to null, so we are coming. Then next we will reach to the 12th node now, so your count will become 2 here. Then we will reach to our head, which is 4 after 12, right? So in the same way we are just running it, and once it will become null, it will come out and you got a count as 6. Okay, simple. And then we are printing it. So yes guys, I think this video is making sense to you. So if you are liking the video, then definitely don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe the channel. So yeah, that's it for this particular tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you.